We're happy to have you with us at the Slade Welcome Center. We are the welcoming area for the Red River Gorge and Natural Bridge experience. People that come here don't always know what they want to do. They know they're here for some kind of experience, but they don't know whether it's hiking or rock climbing or just viewing the scenery. Inside the Welcome Center, we have an area map that will help you find your way through the Red River Gorge and up into Natural Bridge State Park. We are right here on this map outside of this rest area. If you make a right out of this rest area onto Highway 11, you're headed down toward Natural Bridge State Park. It's 2 miles down on the right. There's restaurants and shops all the way down through there. Here's Miguel's Pizza, just for point of reference. Here's the Gorge Underground, just for point of reference. And here's the zip line. There's other shops and other restaurants. When you turn left out of the rest area, you're headed up into Highway 15. There's 2 gas stations there. You turn left on Highway 15, you go 1.5 miles, and then you turn onto 77. There's a sign out here and it says Glady. Glady's our cultural center and they are right here. This road is going to take you through Nader Tunnel. Nader Tunnel is a little tunnel that was blasted out of the mountain over 100 years ago to bring the logs out of the gorge. It's 1 lane. When you pull up there, it's just 12 by 13, but it's 900 feet long and you can see through it. That's its saving grace and that's how it operates. If you see a car coming, you back out and wait your turn. When you come out of that tunnel, it's really steep and really curvy and really beautiful. And then you're going to loop around on that road. It's a scenic drive. If you look up to the left, you can see a large rock called Raven Rock. They used to parasail from there. Then you'll cross a little steel bridge. Don't turn here and don't turn here. 77 veers to the right and turns into 715. This is a parking lot that will say Sheltowee Connector for Suspension Bridge. If you want to park there and cross the suspension bridge, it's a short trail. Then when you come back out on 715, you'll see Glady Cultural Center. Stop and visit with them. They'll tell you the history of the area, the geological rock formation of the gorge, and the prehistoric Indian part, which is huge here. The grounds around Glady are beautiful. It used to be a farm. There's a log house there, a good place to get out and stretch your legs and take a break. When you leave Glady, about 1/2 mile on the left, if we have enough rainfall, you will see a little waterfall called Bell Falls. There's a place to pull over and walk up to it if you want to. Then you're going around this mountain range and then you're going to come to a concrete bridge. When you get to that concrete bridge, you're going to start climbing in elevation. This is a canyon system. On this side, you're down low following that river. When you cross that concrete bridge, you're going to start climbing in elevation. You'll see a road. It's going to say Sky Bridge Road. When you drive out there, it's 0.7 mile hike out to Sky Bridge. On down 715, you will see angel windows and whistling arch signs. Those arches are right off the road. They're 0.3 and 0.2 mile. They're short hikes. There's 2 pretty scenic overlooks there as well. Then when you continue on 715, you will see a sign that says 10, Chimney Top Road. It's worth driving out that gravel road. It's about 3.5 miles on the gravel road to a parking lot. And when you park, there's 2 trails. One will take you down to see Princess Arch. It's 0.3 mile. The other one takes you out to Chimney Top, and it's beautiful out on Chimney Top. You feel like you're seeing the gorge. You come back on that gravel road onto 715. A couple miles down, you'll see a sign that says 24 Rock Bridge Road. Rock Bridge is a hike. It's 1.4 miles out to Rock Bridge. But Rock Bridge is claimed to fame. It's the only arch that goes over water, and Creation Waterfalls is out there. It's a beautiful little waterfall. When you come back on 24, you'll be on 715. You will exit onto 15. There's a real neat restaurant there called Skybridge Station and a pottery and ice cream shop called The Brick. If you make a right on 15, it's going to bring you right back to this Welcome Center. And that completes the 33-mile scenic drive that takes you through the gorge. We have designated trail maps to help you find your way. When you get out on these trails, if you decide you want to do other trails, you stop back in and we'll be glad to help you with anything that we can.